Now we are going to start the video for our major microcontroller trainer kit. In this we are going to discuss about our two major controllers. One is the LPC2148 and other is 8051 microcontroller. First we will go get the introduction for LPC2148. So we have given you a CD in which there is a folder by the name of teaching software. In that you will have four folders: 8051, AVR, LPC2148 and PIC. First we will go with LPC2148. In this we have given you the codes. In codes you will have every folder with a name with project and the hex file. And in software you are going to use two of these majorly. Our 410 MDK is our Keel Microvision 4, and Flash Magic is the main software which will be used to download the program from PC to our LPC2148 microcontroller kit. This is our LPC2148 kit. And first what we'll do is, first you will have to install the 410 MDK. In this you will get a exe file. You will have to execute it. Once the file has been extracted, it will ask you for permission, then click yes. After that proceed. Right now in my PC it has been installed, so I will not proceed, but next steps are very simple. You will just have to press next 3 times and it will be installed on your PC. After installation it will be shown as an icon on the desktop by this logo. So after that you have to install Flash Magic. Flash Magic, it will ask you a permission, and then it's a simple procedure of clicking next 3 times. After that, on your desktop it will show you this icon, Flash Magic. Now after that, if you have a serial port, we have given you a serial cable. If you have a serial port, connect the serial port to your PC, and the other end of the cable goes to this connector. This is our UART0 connector. Secure it properly. After that, let me first transfer a program for LCD. So for that I will go to Flash Magic. In Flash Magic, if this is connected, it will automatically show LPC2148 COM1, and if you are using a serial to USB converter, you will have to select the COM port from the drop down menu. The baud rate is fixed. You just have to browse the file. Let us first start with the LCD interfacing. Just double click and select it. And the major part here is to transfer the program before pressing start. You have to press both of these keys, the reset and the boot. You have to press both of the keys with 2 fingers. Click on start. First release reset, then release boot. If it is not done properly, it will show operation has failed. To properly do that, press start, release reset, and then release boot simultaneously, one by one. First release reset, then release boot. I'll do it once again. I'll press both the keys. I'll press start. I'll release reset first and then boot. Only then it will start programming. So after programming, you have to press reset to execute the program. So I press reset and it is showing next robotic, and any name it will as per program. There we have 2 keys, reset and boot. These are for making communication. So this is a very crucial part in transferring the program from PC to our controller kit. Now comes the main part. This is our LPC2148. Now let's come to the introduction of the LPC2148 kit. This is our main chip, the LPC2148. It is an SMD chip. It is mounted on a PCB, and this is our main board. And on this board, all the lines of the LPC2148 are coming on this 50 pin FRC cable. And this cable has been attached to this board, and from this board we are getting all the different connectors like CN6.6 giving us CN port 1.24 to 1.31, and similarly all the port information is given. So now our next program which we will be running is our LED chaser program. In order to run that, we'll go to browser, we'll go to LED chaser. Now the procedure is same. Before pressing start, we'll press reset and boot, and we have release reset first and then boot. If once it's finished, we'll press reset. Once we press reset, our LED chaser program is started. For that, we have to connect 6.5 to connect CN LED. Similarly, we have to execute other programs, like for our temperature program, we'll go to temperature, we'll go to ADC, we'll go to start. We have released reset first and then boot once the program has been transferred. Now to use the LM35 temperature one, what we have to do is we have to first remove this jumper AN1, because we are using the AN1 port, so we have to first remove the jumper. Now after removing this jumper, we will connect our LM35 sensor to these points. We have connected our LM35 sensor, which is color coded line, black to black, green to green, red to red. Now we will press reset. You will see that the output of this ADC is coming on the serial port. Now before that, our line, we are using line 0.28, so we will change the connector from this one to CN6.4 and change this to this connector. Now we will open our serial port. We are using dock light for serial port access. We'll start play directly. It will start showing us the room temperature. You can stop at any time and see it is showing room temperature 24. This is 2.4. It can be changed in programming. This is showing 24 degrees Celsius right now. Now as soon as I grab the sensor in my hand, the temperature will start changing. It is coming 27, 28 and 29. So this is the LM35 temperature sensor giving ADC output on the serial port. Now we will run the program for the board demonstration. For that, you have to go to browser. There is a board demo. You double click on it. You press start. As soon as you press start, always remember, before pressing start, always keep your both fingers on reset and boot. Release reset first and then boot, only then the programming will be completed. Once that is done, press reset. It will start. The board demo will start. It will guide you along with it. Press 1 to continue, S2 to turn on buzzer, S3 to turn off the buzzer, turn on LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, LED 4. This one is showing the ADC from this and this port. This one is jumping because both are connected. So this is our LPC2148 demonstration.